Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best gaming PC in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check out the links in the description below. 6. Alienware Aurora R10. The Alienware Aurora R10 delivers big on every front. It's stylish, it's powerful, it's customizable and it's easy to upgrade regardless of whether or not you're a PC enthusiast. The R10 model sports Alienware's latest Legend design language, delivering a sleek, curvy chassis that looks great in both white and black and sports 3 fully customizable RGB zones. But the real magic lies inside, where you can outfit the Aurora R10 with up to an Intel Core i9 or Ryzen 9 processor and multiple NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti graphics cards for handling the best VR games without a sweat. And even if you start small, the Aurora's smartly designed chassis lets you open the machine up and swap out the GPU and RAM without the need for any tools. No matter how you configure it, the Aurora is the best gaming PC you can buy. 5. MSI MEG Trident X. The first thing you'll notice about the MSI MEG Trident X is that it's absolutely gorgeous. This small, angular machine fits easily into just about any gaming nook, and is ideal for either desktop or living room setups. The second thing you'll notice is that it runs games absolutely beautifully, whether you want to experience them at Full HD, QHD or UHD settings. With a variety of processor, GPU and RAM options from which to choose, you'll be able to customize a machine that works for your games, and for your monitor. Just be aware that no matter how you design the MEG Trident X, it's going to be expensive. Furthermore, the accessories it comes with, the MSI Clutch GM11 mouse and MSI Vigor GK30 keyboard, are mediocre at best, and disappointing at worst. Still, in terms of both physical design and raw performance, the MEG Trident X is one of the most gorgeous and functional gaming PCs on the market today. 4. Dell G5 Gaming Desktop 5090. The Dell G5 5090 is one of the best gaming PCs for folks who want a solid entry-level machine that's very easy to upgrade. This very affordable desktop starts with a modest Core i3 processor and NVIDIA GTX 1650 card, but can be outfitted with up to a Core i7 CPU and RTX 2080 GPU for more intensive gaming. One of the G5's biggest selling points is its sleek, foolproof chassis, which is incredibly easy to open up should you want to swap out components over time. We found Dell's desktop to be reliable for playing AAA games at 1080p and 60 frames per second, and like that the machine comes mostly free of bloatware. Overall, if you need a good, affordable desktop that you can make more powerful over time, the Dell G5 5090 is a great choice. 3. Corsair One i160. Who says you need a gigantic tower for high-end gaming PC power? The Corsair One i160 hones the compact gaming PC concept to near perfection, cramming an Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti GPU into a stunningly sleek chassis that can blend into offices and command centers equally well. The Corsair One's slick RGB lighting offers a ton of customization options, and its liquid-cooled internal design keeps this small machine quiet even during heated 4K showdowns. It's worth noting that the Corsair One isn't the most upgrade-friendly machine, so you'll need to pick a configuration you'll want to stick with or have some decent technical know-how to swap out parts. But if you're limited on space but don't want to sacrifice performance, the Corsair One is one of the best gaming PCs for fans of compact machines. 2. Intel Ghost Canyon NUC. Intel's NUC has come a long way from its humble beginnings. For example, while the previous Hades Canyon didn't come with a RAM or storage, the newer Ghost Canyon has both. In fact, not only does it have more offerings now in terms of specs, but it's also highly configurable so you can personalize it to your liking before hitting that buy button. With 9th generation Intel Core chips, up to 64 GB of memory and up to 4 TB dual storage, we're all for it. The only catch is that it's pricier now as well. The lower configurations are still quite affordable, and the best gaming PC for the budget and portability conscious. However, you may want to stay away from the highest configurations. 1. Zotac Mech Mini. The Zotac Mech Mini is a tiny gaming PC. It has a 9.2-liter chassis that can house an NVIDIA RTX 2060 or RTX 2070, and the case has plenty of ports for its size. Its diminutive size makes it ideal for an entertainment center as long as you have room for its two 330W power brick. But otherwise, it's still offering full desktop power for a decent price. Many others only go up to an RTX 2080, and frankly, it's cute. But if you're after a gaming PC that's even smaller than the Mac Mini, at less than 10 inches tall 4 inches wide, it's incredibly tiny for a powerhouse PC. Just note that this is a kit, which means you'll have to bring and install your own storage, memory, graphics card and operating system. And at over $1,600 for the model we reviewed without all the previously mentioned components, you're paying a serious premium for the NUC9's seriously small size. That makes the Mac Mini a better buy for most people.